Welcome to Gadget Reviews YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press alert button to get notified for upcoming new videos. This is unboxing video of Asus Vivobook S510UN laptop, which I bought it from Amazon.com. This is power adapter, which is much bigger than S510UN's power adapter. And power cord is thicker. It should be because of Nvidia GPU. There is only user guide, warranty card and power adapter other than laptop. Nothing else. Let's look at the laptop. Looks very nice. It looks like it has metallic surface. But I think it is not. It is not possible to open display with one hand. Technical specifications are similar to S510UA. But this laptop has Nvidia MX150 GPU and backlight keyboard. Let's open it. It comes with pre-installed Windows 10 operating system. Let's set up Windows. This laptop comes with only 4 GB of RAM and 16 GB of Intel Optane memory and 1 TB hard disk drive. I will add RAM to this laptop and replace hard disk drive with SSD. So stay tuned for new videos about how to upgrade this laptop.
You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press like button. Please subscribe and press alert button to get notified for new videos. If you have any questions, please write in comment section. You can contact me with Facebook, Twitter and Instagram pages. You can find all links at description section of this video. If you want to support our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And if you will purchase a product, buy online stores from our affiliate links.